Beginner PC building mistake. You want to make sure that the power supply you're buying is going to provide enough power to all your components such as your CPU, your graphics card, and the RAM. The way to make sure that your power supply is providing enough power is to rebuild your exact part list on PC Part Picker and see how much power it's going to take up. And you actually want to go for a power supply that's above the PC Part Picker power consumption, because power supplies are not 100% efficient. If your PC part picker list says 400, I'd go for something like a 600 watt power supply just to be safe, because no power supplies are 100% efficient. And that's a